This limit was bonkers. Here's my solution to the dailyintegral.com limit of the day for January 23rd, 2026. It asks us for the limit as x approaches 0 of arcsine of x divided by x to the power of 1 over x squared. Now, at first glance, you might think, oh, we could maybe take an e to the log here and then do L'Hopital's rule. No, don't. I tried it. It gets super gross. The more derivative you take, the uglier it gets. You might be able to get the answer this way, but it just didn't look like it was going to end anywhere pretty. So I'm going to do a standard trick that I'd like to do is use the Taylor series approximation. Now, for arcsine of x, we don't use that one very often, so let me give it to you. The Taylor series for arcsine of x is x plus x to the third over 6 plus 3x to the fifth over 40 plus ... We only need the first two terms because as x gets close to 0, those other terms end up not mattering. So we're left with x plus x to the third over 6 divided by x, but that can cancel out, and we're left with the limit as x approaches 0 of 1 plus x squared over 6 to the 1 over x squared. And this looks sort of familiar. It looks a lot like the way we define e to the a. We know that the limit as n approaches infinity of 1 plus a over n to the power of n is equal to e to the a. That sort of looks like what we have here. So we're going to do a change of variables. We're going to let n equal 1 over x squared. Now that's the same thing as saying x squared is equal to 1 over n. And now instead of taking the limit as x approaches 0, we get to take the limit as n goes to infinity. And we're left with 1 plus 1 over n times 1 over 6, or 1/6 over n, all raised to the n power. This is exactly the form we just had. So we get an answer of e to the 1/6. So that's the answer, e to the 1/6. Now, this is a bonkers answer. If you didn't get it, don't feel bad. This was a really tricky one to do. It was even tricky for me. It took me a while. But there's your answer. I hope you like it. Hopefully next time it'll be a little bit easier than that one.